Hi there! This is a Purchase Green Contractor sample kit. We send these out to contractors who are selecting artificial grass products to meet their business needs. Let's open it up to see what you can expect when you receive one of your own.
The first thing you'll see is a letter with follow-up information and a business card for your Purchase Green point of contact. And here are some trifold brochures, including how to choose the perfect grass for you, putting green and golf supplies, solar light information, and our grasses and tools brochures. Next up, Infill. We have 5 different labeled infills in here. We have Zeodorizer, Hero Fill, Mellow Fill Golf, 16 grit silica sand, and 50 grit putting green infill. Our fasteners come on this paper. There's a 6-inch non-galvanized nail, a 5-inch non-galvanized nail, a 3-inch non-galvanized putting green finishing nail, and a 6-inch 11-gauge sod staple. For underlayment, we have pieces of our 45mm shock pad, 16mm ProPlay EcoSport shock pad, and 8mm XPE shock pad. Then we have our perimeter products. There are samples of 1-inch by 4-inch by 20-foot perimeter board, 1.5-inch by 1.5-inch by 12-foot subgrade benda board, and Wonder Edge. And now comes the piece de resistance, the turf. There are 25 different artificial grass samples in this box, and as you can guess, it gets a little squished. So we include this grooming brush in here to groom the turf samples once you receive them. After brushing them up, leave the samples in the sun for a bit to get those blades warm and standing up tall. There are a bunch of different kinds of turf we include. Our most popular grasses for putting greens, playgrounds, landscaping. Maybe you want specific samples, like you may want to see Diamond Cool 50 or maybe PG Tour. We'll throw those in.
And that's what's in the sample kit. Thanks for joining in on this unboxing video. If you have any questions about how to order a sample kit or questions about the products included in the kit, visit our website, purchasegreen.com, or contact your local Purchase Green, and we'll be happy to help get you what you need. Bye!